हिंदुस्तान तो आबाद हो गया होगा। ओह वीरा वीरा।
Mom, Dad, I'm in love. I'm in love.
Oh, okay. Can you imagine Sena में Sanjay Dutt का dancing?
You said it to me.
You can't say Sonali Bendre and not have
not
guys
sing
randomly
this.
combust into
I said, अकेली न बाजार जाया करो.
Bro, Farhan Akhtar is a blessing.
Problem is that I was a fan of his as a director for sure. Yeah,
Dude, so good. मैं बताओ देखो भाई, my actual film debut was supposed to be Agnipath with Hrithik Roshan.
Oh.
Mass.
No.
Amir Khan just looks at the guy, ooh, uncle.
Run there. Ding, 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 ding. Welcome to another episode of Popcorn Hour. I'm Shantanu.
I'm Akanksha.
And today we have with us a very, very special guest, actor, writer, comedian, creator, improviser, my dear friend Varun Thakur in the house.
Hi guys, I'm Varun Thakur. My profiles are... I'm available on shoot date.
Of Shaitan Haveli and Jab Tak Hai Jaan Frame. Star of found footage horror movie ? Varun Thakur is in the house.
Wow, this is called well-researched podcast.
It's called being a fan.
We have deeply Bhag Bhini Bhag ke star Varun Thakur हमारे साथ आज audience में बैठे हुए.
The only show about comedians where I played businessman. Range.
We have Varun Thakur. Thank you so much for coming, my brother.
Hi, thank you.
Awkward stretch.
Yeah.
We have started on the right note. We are here to discuss today something that Varun is doing on this podcast.
Yeah.
A debut.
Oh.
We are here to discuss debuts in Bollywood, and debuts in Bollywood is a vast and wide range.
Firstly,
of
Shantanu, I have to tell you, for so long you've not called me. And the time that he's actually called me, he said, let's discuss launches, na? तेरा नहीं हुआ क्या अभी तक?
and the invitation is a tana in itself.
It's
Thank
also
you.
Varun is the most requested guest in our comments.
Wow,
Every
really?
episode,
Yeah.
hey, get Varun, hey.
All 7 comments that come on our podcast.
Six, you're being kind. 6
One
comments.
is her mom saying looking lovely beta and मेरी माँ तो वो भी नहीं लिखती.
I can assure you those 4 comments is my mom who has 4 different accounts. And she goes and comments.
I will take your mom as our big fan.
We like mothers.
We are here to discuss debuts, and what debuts have been like in Bollywood for the last few decades at least, and it is a fairly wide topic. So what we'll start with is, Akanksha, you tell us, what type of debut would you like to start with?
I think the easiest question is just tell me your favorite debut.
Oh, big one.
And there is, I think it's not just mine, but pretty much every single person in India, at least who grew up in that phase of 2000s,
Yeah.
where Hrithik Roshan
Yeah.
just, auntie, badam ka doodh, auntie, who's the father, who's the friend, both the
We've
friends.
unleashed the beast.
वो इस चेहरे को पहचानते.
Oh, wow. मैं बोनविटा पीता हूँ.
You did everything but कहो ना प्यारे. You are कहो ना
Oh, yeah.
प्यारे.
Oh, हिंदुस्तान तो आबाद हो गया होगा. Oh, वीरा.
Mom, Dad, I'm in love. I'm in love, Mom.
And then he does that. Auntie नीता घर पे है, auntie.
Oh.
सोनिया को छोड़ने एयरपोर्ट गए. Oh, shit.
Okay, we're done.
Man, guys, I can literally just sit here for 1 hour straight and only talk about Hrithik Roshan, because I don't think there's ever been a debut like that. Although if you ask my mom, she said ऐसा same हुआ था कुमार गौरव के साथ जब भी वो debut किया था.
Shreyas Talpade. Iqbal was a great debut.
No, but like every generation has that one debut, right?
Yeah.
That you quote to the next generation.
Correct.
But Hrithik was something that the closest thing now would be like an Ahan Pandey. But for Gen Z and all of that. But
Sold.
how do you explain the mania
Yeah.
of what we felt, where no internet,
Man.
ठीक है, nothing. We had cable TV, before you, Zoom TV.
9XM.
Right? 9XM. So the order was you will read about it in the paper, you will
Yeah.
track it, then you will watch songs of it on the thing, and then you see it on the screen, and then you beg your cable guy, अरे दिखाना रात को please.
Correct.
Tape घिस दिया.
Tape पूरा.
Yeah.
Side A, side B घिस दिया.
I'm not kidding. From the time the movie released in the theater till probably I'll give it 1 year after it.
Yeah.
I must have watched that movie like 50 times.
Yeah.
Yeah.
50 times. And our cable guy used to play the movie, it would end and it would start again. तो मैंने एक बार 2 बार देखी.
Hypnotized
Back
by
to
it.
back. और ऐसे just watch it because, dude, I'm not kidding. I used to do this in my stand-up that I watched that movie, I came back home, I was in front of the mirror and I was doing
Tin.
मतलब और क्या करना है वो तो करना ही है.
Correct.
And my mom walked into the room and she just looked at me and because she's the only person who I told, I said, I actually want to be an actor, you know, like, and I think that day she also saw and I felt कि boss,
Oh man, what a
nowhere
moment.
close to what that happened, but
Right, so-
that thing of just seeing him, because he was complete package, bro. Good looks, great body, dances like a
Dancing,
dream,
yeah.
acts also well. Everything was,
Sounds like Vicky.
yeah. Oh,
Gosh,
अरे यार, मैं सेफ क्यों बन गया? अरे वाह यार, stop it.
But also in Kahuna Pyare, he did the spectrum, na, this innocent good boy versus mild fuck boy energy.
Yeah,
he did
everything,
both.
everything.
Ideal launch, ideal debut, because there are two heroes, there are two characters that you are being launched with,
Correct,
right?
correct.
did two
Both
movies.
opportunities.
Amir Garib.
He
He
did
did 2 movies.
Yeah.
मेरा
चश्मिश,
कुछ भी-
non-चश्मिश.
हाँ, अरे एक्टिंग नहीं कर सकता. एक्टिंग क्या अबे वो मर भी गया उसमें. क्या बात कर रहे हो? Oh shit. रोमांस भी किया. 2 बार रोमांस किया. जितने न्यूजीलैंड में रोमांस किया, इंडिया में रोमांस किया.
that
दिलीप रोमांस
style
किया,
of
अमीर
romance
रोमांस
also.
किया.
It's a scientific punarjanam.
Yeah.
It's the only other way to do it is a punarjanam. You can
Correct,
either
correct.
punarjanam or you can put him in a different continent. New Zealand.
Wow, bro.
New Zealand,
so
Hrithik.
good, bro.
Oh,
Very good.
just stop it,
अभी
yeah.
कहता ना सबा.
Oh, Sabah.
सबा.
I'm a Suzanne. I'm the Suzanne Hrithik.
Suzanne Hrithik, for
I'm
sure.
the Suzanne.
Slightly unhappy. Slightly unhappy in my marriage, yeah. A good father to my kids. Good
Kids
husband
are
to my
also
wife.
good dancers. I also.
Rehan and Rehan.
Rehan,
They've got
Ridhan.
it. They've got it.
Dude, you know, remember that there used to be those, because we used to have Bombay Times,
Times.
Mumbai Mirror, Times of India. So Hrithik mania spread everywhere. And I remember this article very clearly that X amount of parents have now named their kid Hrithik.
Ah.
With an H. I don't think उसके पहले लोगों को मालूम था कि ऋतिक H से स्पेल कर सकते
Correct,
हैं.
correct,
पब्लिक
correct.
R से ही कर रहा है, ठीक है? And then suddenly H ऋतिक. मैं भी करूंगा.
Then once Ritesh was launched, people added H to regular Ritesh's also.
ये
Hey,
मत
Ritesh
करना।
कर दो यार.
ये मत-
Ritesh.
उसने भी क्या क्या देखा ना? अभी वो रितेश हो चुके हैं.
Ritesh Deshmukh is in the house. Another debut that we must discuss later.
Wait, Janelia, no?
Yeah. मुझे तेरी कसम. तुझे मेरी
मुझे
कसम.
मेरी कसम.
Only person in the
वो-
world.
that was horrible, by the way.
How
I
did
think
he
his
reach this
debut was
after
Bluff
Hrithik?
Master. Like
Oh.
that was his real debut.
Masti.
Oh,
Yeah,
that was
Masti
his.
was his-
oh
Masti
my
was
God.
Yeah,
single screen.
Yeah,
screen,
yeah, yeah.
But then this Bluff Master
Bluff
was
Master.
multiplex schoolboy.
Yeah. No, but also it became like people say, oh, every time you need a second guy or a third guy
Yeah.
or a fourth.
It's Ritesh.
Yeah.
And nowadays 5, 6.
Ritesh.
एक तो रितेश है ही.
But
Ritesh,
हमारा
Standard
पत्ता
fix.
काट के गया हमारा पत्ता काट के गया
another-
चीफ मिनिस्टर का बेटा तुम्हारा काट के जा रहा है भाई तुम्हारा and that also is a stroke of luck he
Yeah.
wasn't the second guy Sanjay Dutt went to jail
हाँ.
otherwise the Rohan Sippy had cast Sanjay Dutt as Abhishek Bachchan and
Oh.
Abhishek Bachchan as Dittu.
Oh.
And then Sanjay Dutt went to jail, so they were just like promote Abhishek and find the new Dittu, and that's how Ritesh got the role.
Dude,
I like the.
they नसीब बोलते हैं ना जिसके इसमें लिखा है because I cannot imagine Baba just fucking.
Can you imagine Sena में Sanjay Dutt the dancing?
you said it to me, do na. How can I make other thing dance to make it seem like I'm dancing? You know, Saki, he's not dancing.
Bomb bajda,
Bomb the.
bomb bajda.
Too good. We've
So,
reached this from Hrithik Roshan.
Hrithik Roshan
Interesting
to
jump.
these two.
But by the way, you know, it's so funny because you had Hrithik and the female debut
No one gave a
was
fuck
actually
about.
supposed to be Kareena
Kareena.
Kapoor.
She's
And
Still
then
there in the shots, huh?
Huh?
In the white shots of
Yeah,
Kahuna
yeah,
Pyare
yeah,
title
yeah.
track, Kareena is still there.
Yeah, we put a picture of it. There's some pink villa type article we
Yeah.
have found. Yeah.
They found
तो दूर की होना प्यारे में करीना है.
Kareena.
different body. It's not the lazy lamhe board dancing.
She would be Sonia, but she said no. She was like, पूरी movie Hrithik की है, मैं क्या कर रही हूँ types.
Yeah.
Correct.
She didn't want
Correct.
Correct. She's
Who
very,
remembers
very
Amisha
astute.
Patel from that movie?
Yeah,
Nobody.
nobody.
I remember.
Nobody.
No, no, I also remember, but
not
then
her
got
movie.
forgotten very.
She was my
very-
crush for 2 months.
Hrithik was also that one.
Amisha Patel.
That's
Amisha Patel.
That's a long time.
Really? तो
Yeah.
उसका अभी पता ना कहाँ चले देखा उसका Instagram.
देख,
There's
अभी
somebody constantly
last-
shooting.
Last 2 months I'm talking about.
But
Oh,
no.
अभी का- She's my latest. There's a photos have a contact Rajiv Bhai for meet and greet.
I'm gonna stop.
It's on the bio.
Bro, it is. It
It's
is.
on the bio.
It is, dude. There was last 4-5 years. I think she's discovered Instagram where somebody, some poor soul, has been given a camera कि तू record कर, ठीक है? मैं जो भी करूँ तू record करेगा. तो वो ऐसे non-stick pan पे steel के pan से ये करके उसका निशान आ रहा है और वो खाना बना रही है क्योंकि cooking videos भी चलते हैं. So hey guys, I'm making this.
Samira and mother-in-law doing well. मैं अकेली वही power.
But imagine her, bro. She had Kauna Pyare and then she had Gadar.
Yeah. No, nothing bigger.
It's insane. I think the only other actress who debuted who had something like this was here Gracie Singh. You had
100%.
Lagan and Munna Bhai.
मुन्ना भाई.
And then
किधर है
Arman.
अभी?
Muskan.
And Arman, yeah.
Arman and then फिर वो rhyming में पिट गई.
No, then she went to Deshdrohi. Then she said, fuck
went to
it.
Deshdrohi.
After Muskan, she's like, there's no redemption
There's
now.
no
I have to
redemption.
embrace this identity.
She was very good. Gracie
She was
Singh.
also your
I was a
crush.
big fan
You
of
were
Gracie.
crushing on her also.
But no, again, I would say your, what's her name? Gayatri Joshi is a great
Oh.
debut.
Very good, yeah.
Gayatri
Very good.
Joshi is a
Very
great
good.
debut.
Very
हाँ.
good.
बिल्कुल नहीं.
Yes, you have.
No, I haven't. लड़ाकू है.
And
Only
क्या
one-
scene था? Why did she disappear?
One
she
shot.
just was like,
you know, I
fuck
cannot
Why do
say
you
this.
why do you
Marriage.
do it and then oh
it. It was that.
businessman-
Goldie Bell.
No, that's
No,
Sonali
that's
Bendre.
Sonali
Sorry,
Bendre.
my bad.
Hey, come on, yaar.
Sorry,
Yeah.
my bad.
Take it. Say sorry. Say sorry to Goldie ji.
जाने जा दिलों पे प्यार का. See, you can't say Sonali Bendre and not have
not
guys
sing
randomly
this.
combust into
True,
अजब सा.
I said, अकेली न बाजार जाया करो.
Major Sahab.
Threat of eve teasing as your lover.
वो भी अजय देवगन is doing it, dude.
ये दोस्त के साथ घुमा कर.
That's so true, bro. You're not even threatening her. समझा ना जाएगा नहीं.
Warn कर रहा हूँ मैं.
Wait, so are you trying to flirt with me? Yes.
I am your well-wisher, darling.
Yeah.
Against me only.
So true.
Oh, fuck.
But interesting that we are okay. To circle back let's circle back to Hrithik.
Oh, yeah.
Hrithik, Roshan.
Ritik was also that one person whose debut, boys and girls both liked him a lot. Usually
Yeah.
when I debut, maybe
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
targeting
yeah.
one or
Like
the other.
Harshvardhan Rane boys like.
I,
Not too
but
many
that,
good-
I don't get that.
Sanam Teri Kasam.
But I don't get that.
You all
I
watched
don't- I
it,
don't
or
get-
you all watched it,
No,
or
no.
I watch. I get.
And you
I
got-
get Harshvardhan.
you-
I
you get
Harsh-
why it is.
Harshvardhan Rane is basically the country cousin of Imran Hashmi.
Oh.
Like it's the misunderstood gangster who falls in love with a heart of gold. But with
and there's a Sufi song that plays.
Sufi song, but Imran Hashmi versatility कम है. John Abraham muscular bronze ज़्यादा है.
Okay.
That's what
क्योंकि मेरे को उसकी स्टोरी याद है where he had said अरे Oleg has
Helmet.
to be a delivery boy or
Helmet
something.
देने गया था.
Helmet.
Helmet
You
देने
remember?
गया
I
था.
remember that photo.
Yeah.
And John was his idol and then he went to John and there's a photo of them with the helmet and now he rides the same bike that John does.
Yeah.
Something. Like,
Some recent one also he's given now, and huge hit it was.
It's a
Sanam Teri Kasam re-release.
Pro Sayyara.
that
Pro-
re-release
Pro
has made 100
Sayyara.
crores.
Yeah.
Post Sayara, he
Post
made
Sayyara
one more
something
film
came.
with Sonam Bajwa, which has done very well. One of those Milabs of very type, kut ke aashik tere pyar mein lut gaya type of titles it has. Like,
Milap Milan Zaveri. He thought that we'll not remember who he is if he just adds Milan there. We know you, Milap. We know you. We know all the work you've done. The internet leaves a trace.
No,
Okay?
you will not be
Yeah,
spared.
you will not be
History will not remember you kindly.
Just because you're making Satyameva Jayate with 3 John Abrahams.
Two, Jana Gana Mana.
Dude, abhi Satyameva Jayate 2 mein there's 3 John
One is
Abrahams.
Jana, one is Gana, and one is Mana or something like that. If I'm not, if the Satyam
मैं
Jayate 2 fans want to come for me, आ जाओ यार, कोई नहीं.
They would actually.
I love
yeah.
Dhurandhar. अब कर ले. लड़ लो आपस में.
Okay. What is your favorite? Let's not say everyone can't say Ritik because
Yeah.
that's obvious.
Okay, so I can't. Oh, that's.
You can't.
Who's the father? Who's the
well, then
friend?
definitely.
Farhana
There's no other place to go.
No, wow.
Yeah. I would say that
Does he do this show just so he can show off his mimicry?
Dude,
It's so
any
bloody
time of
good.
the day, I feel like he wakes
the
up.
problem is that I was a fan of his as a director for show. And as a writer, there was no going back. But then I went one day, I ambled in to watch Rock On because Gattu Kapoor is not a dear friend of mine. In fact, I don't know Gattu at all. But kya film tha bhai?
Abbe, but wow.
It's very good. It's very
Yeah,
good.
film tha.
Dude, so good.
He was so good throughout as...
Bro, Farhan
again-
Akhtar is a blessing to the industry. As is his
curse that
sister.
is Bollywood.
Yeah. And Zoya Akhtar. Farhan and Zoya, both siblings, are a blessing to the
Most
industry.
important smash that Javed
100%.
Akhtar did.
We're just gonna
Two
refix
most
smash
important
करें.
smashes of Javed Saab.
Great smash. Smashed it out of the park.
हाँ, ये दो
Dude.
कपलेट जो उन्होंने अपनी पेन से लिखे
Must.
हैं.
Thank God क्यों हुआ?
Bro, generation defining, genre defining, and just making it seem like not everything has to be are mass. You can still
Correct.
go to the supposed this mass word. Na, fuck,
Yeah.
it's the most irritating word it is.
Yeah.
So people use it anyhow whenever they want.
Single
As per,
screen cinema.
अरे mass है. अबे तू picture अच्छा ले mass आएगा देखने के
That's
लिए.
how
तू
Sid
देगा.
Malhotra does Marjawa. Apparently, there's a story where I don't know. It's Milan.
You
Milan
can't say
Zaveri.
Marjava and not do that.
It's Milan Luthri. No, Milan Zaveri
Milan
only.
Zaveri, yeah.
Milan Zaveri made Marjawa, and apparently Siddharth Malhotra in an interview said, "No, वो बहुत nuanced और class actor है."
Nuance.
एक तो मिलाप जावेरी की दुनिया में तो है ना भाई वो तो
मिलाप
मिलाप जावेरी की दुनिया. So apparently he would get ADs to circle Sid Malhotra before every shot and do a demonic chant of mass, mass, mass,
No.
mass, mass, and then Sid Malhotra would enter frame and do a or whatever. And that's how Marjawa ka character was created.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. They would just scream mass.
They would just be mass कि बेटा ये single screen में hit होनी है. Sid, come on, rise above हंसी तो फंसी, which is your only decent film, barring Shershah.
Shershah, yeah.
Shershah and Hasi. So Farhan Akhtar I thought was a great debut.
Yeah.
I was sold. Again, there is a digital an emotional reincarnation trope in that also. जैसे ऋतिक उसमें न्यूजीलैंड इधर है, इसमें rocker and banker.
Banker.
Even banker is sexy.
Sexy.
अरे तोलानी साहब आपका पैसा हमारे साथ सेफ है. अरे स्मोकिंग और इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकिंग का क्या लेना देना रॉब. You know, like both are sold.
Yeah,
I wanted to
great.
be a musician. I wanted to be a banker.
And he actually played his own music, sang his own songs.
Yeah.
Crazy
Right?
dude.
I think must have ghost directed also कि यार गट्टू इसको वापस shoot कर दे.
He would know. He would know. He's
थोड़ा थोड़ा इसको चेंज कर लो.
घुमा तो रहे. शोगन घुमाते तो थे उसके लिए एक बार.
100%.
शोगन घुमा है.
100%. He says, okay, print. No, we'll do one more. No, we just run for
And once you
safety.
think पूरा went like है, मेरे को भी दिखा यार.
अच्छा, कौन है तू? क्या चैनल भी है?
My brother निखिल बन रहा है यहाँ पे.
But bro, that movie made Arjun Rampal win a national award.
Yeah.
I think that in itself
Slightly
is
surprising.
Yeah, I mean, I don't. वो time पे मतलब क्या lobbying था कि
हाँ, actually.
what is the
Open market.
और क्यों अर्जुन भाई?
Open market.
अभी तो समझ सकते हैं, but पहले क्या था? What made them say Arjun Rampal?
Yeah, we should go back to the which movies released. Why was it Arjun
Why?
Rampal?
Yeah.
What kind of a year was that? It's strange.
Rock on.
2008 ना?
No,
कल
what
किसने
are
देखा
good
है? कल किसने देखा है that year? The कल
We'll
किसने
do
देखा Jackie
research
launch?
on this.
Jackie launch?
Oh भाई, हाँ, Jackie Bhagnani. Yeah.
But
I think that same year was also Harman Maveja.
Earlier.
Love Story 2015. I don't
Love
know.
Story 2015.
Might be earlier.
And you know the
Love Story
saddest part about his launch was that again because you know that phase where we had no other distractions like internet and all
Correct.
ना तो जो भी बॉलीवुड के बारे में ऑल कचरा मैं बाल काटने आता तो उधर स्टारडस्ट फिल्म फेयर सब पढ़ लिया है mom is giving some goss you know I'm reading Bombay Times all of that shit so knew everything
Yeah.
his promotion for hey he's going to be launched he looks like Hrithik
Yeah.
and that I thought was the
And he
saddest
doubled
thing
down
yeah
on it a lot. Huh?
Yeah.
He was like, dance bhi Hrithik के साथ
डांस भी
करता
रहते you know
हूँ,
and this first frame if you remember the trailer was ऐसे थोड़ा shadow वाडा दिया तो ऋतिक का cleft है ना इधर एक ये
Let's go.
हाँ
They
ऐसे
also
करके-
did a let's go.
Let's go so that was really sad फिर
Arman
आया
should
अंदर
have found his individual.
Now he has
identity.
found in that
Yeah.
show that
Scam.
Scam में
is it Scam?
Yeah,
Yeah,
he-
he was in Scam, no?
the other ना
The Karishma Tannawala.
Karishma
हाँ,
Tannawala
correct,
He's also a
Ansel
good
Mehta
sports
वाला.
producer. He's a good star sports segment producer now.
No idea.
Harman has he produces a lot of sports packaging segments for Star Sports.
Yeah
Yeah, I met him at the Hotstar office once.
Harman Maveja
Urmi Estate में he's got.
You should have spoken like Hrithik Roshan to him.
Urmi
Just to
Estate,
throw him off. Just to throw him off and
My
be like...
friend did the Mountain Dew ad with Hrithik, na? He went up to him and said, "Big fan." He was like, "Thanks." He's like, "Of Shah Rukh." and Hrithik went like, "Hey, "Same here, man. Same here."
What a nice
And then
guy.
went away. Good
bro.
guy.
What a nice guy.
who's this
Huh?
Who's this?
Pranay Manchanda, my actor.
Pranay
friend.
Manchanda guts है तेरे यार
I have favorite debut. I have favorite. Ranveer Singh Band Baja Bharat.
underrated
है ना?
I feel very
Great
highly
debut,
underrated
यार.
debut
Yeah.
because because that character wasn't like he shows up in a sports car then gets
He's
out
underdog
and then,
energy little
एकदम
bit.
underdog
Yeah.
Yes, Turkey
bread,
में Sunshine.
bread
Not very
पकोड़ा खा
likable.
रहा है ऐसा
Yeah.
उड़ रहा है हाँ इधर
उठ रहा है Sunshine. Turkey में Sunshine shot in DU hostel.
but bro Ranveer Man, I think currently, since even though we're talking about debuts,
yeah,
I think the most versatile guy we fucking
100%.
have, bro.
By
उसका
far.
100%.
क्या करता है आदमी?
100%.
And it's because you can tell he wants it the
Yeah.
most.
He wants it,
Yeah.
for
In
sure.
He
fact,
wants
there's
it
a
more than
video-
anyone
Anyone.
else.
There's
Yeah,
a video
yeah.
of him going viral right now where like he got the best debutante award.
Shreya
He's
Ghoshal.
crying like crazy, okay, on stage. Like Shah Rukh is there and he's crying and all.
Sorry guys, this is a bit overwhelming.
And you can really see he's just really emotional and emotive. And he
Shah Rukh-
really wants this.
Shah Rukh
And
is like, you,
yeah.
बेटा तू क्यों रो रहा है? हमको
हम
रोना
रोएंगे।
चाहिए, तू आ गया है
Yeah.
industry.
Run!
No, but crazy. That
Yeah.
his debut was amazing. In fact, somebody, I don't know who told me, but he does this some Japanese acting technique. Have you heard this shit?
He
Where-
होटल में घूम जाता है.
नहीं
60 दिन होटल में रहता है वो फिल्म गोरेगांव वेस्ट इंड
नहीं वो
में.
विवेक ओबराय करता है ना.
हाँ बोल दो. That's
He
party.
prepped for this one, the movie
Inside
that he
It?
did. No, for Krish.
Oh.
By following what Heath Ledger did for Joker. He came out and said that in as many words.
I saw that interview.
Yeah.
I want to be fair to Vivek because we have to go to his debut after
Also
this.
great
because
debut, huh?
amazing.
It
Great
was
debut.
taken out of context. Carl Vivek was good.
Good.
Company, bro. Company.
Carl, the character he played in Krish.
हाँ.
was-
अच्छा oh.
Oh, wait.
But he was in Carl also.
He was in Carl also. And he had a catchphrase, Jaan se maar dunga.
जान से मार दूंगा.
Which had no impact on the character. It
Bro,
was
one
just to
thing,
throw you
know,
off.
These movies, when you now rewatch and these small things, they've used that Jaan se maar dunga as a thing of,
Yeah.
he's probably the guy who's killing
Chekhov's
everybody.
gun.
Yeah, he's the Chekhov's gun, exactly. And he is not at all.
There is a gun also. There is an actual Chekhov's gun and Chekhov's dialogue. Anton's face and Chekhov's gun is what
and they keep using it. Jaan se maar dunga. Oh, so we have to. I'm like, no, it's comical, bro.
he does in that interview they were like, वो आपको बहुत आपका काम बहुत सराहा जा रहा है क्रिश में आपने जो काल का रोल किया है. विवेक ओबरॉय responded in that interview with, अरे यार प्रेस तो मुझे कोई इससे प्रेस से फर्क नहीं पड़ता. लोग तो बोलने के लिए कुछ भी बोल रहे हैं. तो लोग तो मेरे को हीथ लेजर से भी कंपेयर कर रहे हैं मेरे कैरेक्टर को. बट लोगों की बातों को सीरियसली नहीं लेना चाहिए. First few instances of the internet happening to someone.
Just
Cut and viral. Cut and like आलू से सोना बनाना. किसने बोला किसका मजाक उड़ाते हैं हमको मालूम है.
Correct.
It's the same.
Bye, Vivek. Sorry, yaar. All this while I thought you've been going, but I read it in the fucking paper. So some.
Then it must be true.
Exactly. You know, back in the day when papers.
Do you think he has any enemies in Bollywood who would want to?
Who are good with internet?
Once you read the tweets, okay, good night, ninny time.
Bro,
So,
some of the tweets are like he sat on his phone.
Bhai launch.
By launch.
Yeah, 90s का तो भाई था ना, early 90s, late 80s.
His launch.
His launches में
Yeah.
भाभी
बीवी हो तो ऐसी.
बीवी हो तो ऐसी.
With
Sri Devi.
Yeah.
Correct. That's his launch.
But that's the thing, many of these guys, but he still won best debut.
For many
So if you
yeah.
see Filmfare का मेल डेब्यू का लिस्ट, अगर वो साल में एक 30 पिक्चर भी किया है ना,
हाँ.
तो जो अच्छी पिक्चर है उसके लिए मिल जाता है.
Oh, it's a debut year.
यार हाँ.
Same year. Hey, then it's counted
I'm
only, I
assuming.
guess.
इसलिए किया
एक
होगा.
आध साल इधर
इतना
उधर.
allowed है.
So when Ritik ka happened na, all producers jumped on. Arey, we had signed him before Kauna Pyar Hai.
Subhash
Khalid
Ghai.
Mohabbat
Bye.
for
Subhash
Fiza,
Ghai.
Subhash Ghai for Yade.
He had shot
and-
half of Yade.
Yeah, and what's his face? Vidu Vinod for Mission Kashmir. All three have come out. Arey, we had signed him before.
Very good choices. Eclectic
Very
choices.
interesting.
And
yeah.
I actually enjoyed Mission Kashmir also.
Same.
Mission
I
Kashmir was
enjoyed
good.
Fiza
Same.
also.
Fiza's
Yade was hilarious.
Yade-
It was just, matlab,
Too much Jackie.
too much Jackie and like, dude, कोई मरते वक्त कोको कोला की किचन दे रहा है ना, तो एक सस्पेंशन ऑफ डिसबिलीफ भी होता है, बट कितना भाई.
Yeah, they made the first 10 minutes only Eli Re Eli comes and I was so uncomfortable.
Eli re eli, chaheli paheli.
I'm like, I have a sister, we don't do this. We don't wear
Hey,
bed
come
sheets
on,
and
you
dance
don't
like that.
understand what pubescent girls feel like.
Yeah.
Let the men tell you what that
Yeah,
experience
especially
is. ठीक है?
Subhash Ghai, let
अब
him tell
तू सुभाष घाई को औरतों के बारे में बताएगी एंड प्यूबर्टी के बारे में आई बड़ी लड़की
उसके बाद the movie was just
मुक्ता आर्ट है वो.
dirty.
But yeah, so I was saying Ranveer Singh ka, I read somewhere or somebody told me where he practices this Japanese technique where you are in a frame, but you become such a part of the frame that you don't command attention to yourself. Like if you look at Dhurandhar first part, Ranveer, he's good, but
Amazing.
he's not screaming for your attention.
Correct.
Yeah.
When there's an Akshay Khanna scene, or if you know that that guy is the focus, even if he's talking or not talking, Ranveer is behind, like you can't even, sometimes you don't even see him.
Yeah.
Isn't it famously true in Gully Boy also that the starting shot is like Vijay Verma walking and Ranveer Singh is in the background?
Entrance
Exactly.
in the carjacking.
And wherever I've seen, right, you see him at the back, he gets in, doesn't command that, hey, dekh main hu.
Yeah.
And
It's
that's
Leo versus Daniel
confidence.
Day-Lewis. Daniel Day-Lewis will get lost. The frame is bigger than Daniel Day-Lewis. DiCaprio खा जाता है. Amir will also take send. You know the effort and the method and all of that is so evident कि मैं acting कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पे.
देखो भाई 4 साल इसलिए मैं नहीं आया था, ठीक है?
मैं पहले पतला था, अब मैं मोटा हूँ.
मोटा हो.
मैंने weight loss किया यार for 100 crores.
You know, since we're doing Amir, right? Like, you know, some people's
Spent lot of
quirks
people.
are so.
Yeah, kya Shantanu, yeah. Half the things get edited out.
It's
because of
only.
this.
I said it.
नहीं, no, go. We'll
No.
put.
So this is fuck. I lost my chain of thought. क्या बोल रहा था? हाँ.
Amir
Khan की बात कर रहे थे. And people's quirks and all stay with you, right?
Yeah.
So in Three Idiots, you know the scene where they go into the shadi to eat free food, right? They put that sehra on their head and they walk in. And it is not, it's a throwaway. It's not even a, hey, look, I'm being funny. It's Amir Khan just looks at the guy, ooh, uncle. Ooh, uncle. Oh, I think I was the only guy who was laughing. And people are wondering, chute kya ho gaya teko? I said, bro, kya funny tha? He said, kya funny tha? I said, just Amir Khan being
Amir Khan.
Ooh, uncle. Ooh, uncle.
It was very good as a catty. Like that vibe worked very well for Akash. When you're young, when you're actually young,
Yeah.
and you're a bit of a brat,
Yeah.
then that little bit of oh nice yeah, खाना देना. अब बाबा मैं जब जैसे ही मैं पता करूंगा सबसे पहले आपको बताऊंगा. That see there it works.
Yeah.
But as a guy who's supposed to be dhurandering a wedding like he was in that, he was supposed to be inconspicuous, na not.
Correct.
अरे चाची जी, प्लेट भर लेते हैं.
He doesn't do that in Dangal, to be fair. He doesn't do this
Thank
breaking
God.
of
Imagine, ooh,
character.
boxing.
5 मिनट का था. अरे वाह लड़की, तेरे को कुएं में नहीं फेंकेंगे.
वो है ना, हम ट्रेन को लुकेंगे, काकुरी कबाब खाते खाते लुटेंगे.
कबाब खाते खाते लुटेंगे. भैंस से बात कर रहा है. But launch wise.
विवेक
launch.
बहुत से डरता है मैं किसी से नहीं डरता
उसका भी वो फेमस स्टोरी मालूम है ना, रामगोपाल वर्मा ने बोला कि वो कैसे किया.
रामगोपाल वर्मा ने अभी बोला थोड़ा डिनाई किया है.
Oh, tell what?
I had
Tell
already
what,
seen
huh?
the tape.
Tell what first?
But but you tell story.
हाँ.
थोड़ा मंडेला इफेक्ट होगा उस पे, but it was basically he was auditioning for companies. So usually you'd go profiles, audition. He's like, no, when I go meet him, I want to meet him like my character. So apparently he's gone to Dharavi, lived in a chawl, observed their mannerisms. Now he's saying अभी क्या 2 घंटे का टूर लेके आया कि क्या पता नहीं, but जो बाहर निकला ना, he was like
Amazing.
You know, he said he got that brown shirt from somebody who lives there or something like that. Pray kiya, beedi dala, black face karke, move. Because it's not a quintessential Bollywood debut, right? You're scruffy,
Not at
you're
all.
dark,
Yeah.
you're wearing a phatela banyan, kolhapuri phatela chappal. That's contrary to Hrithik. ये कर रहा है इधर. So he did that. Then he's gone to Ramu's office, sat on the chair, put his feet up on the table with that beedi, looked at him and said something. And then Ramu's like, "तू मेरा चंदू है."
पहले पैर चाटा.
हाँ पहले थैंक यू सर.
यार उसके बाद अगर रोल नहीं मिलता, how sad. बहुत effort डाले उसने.
नहीं, but imagine him. He had that. Then he had Dum, and he had Satya.
Satya
I'm a
also
huge dumb fan. Also.
I'm a huge
Bro,
Satya fan
love
also.
Bro, Dum.
Gym
Come
playlist
on,
में मेरे.
I only know the
underrated.
songs, I saw the movie also.
Yeah, I've seen many times.
I also like क्यों हो गया ना.
I also like you हो गया ना, very cute.
No.
It's cute.
क्यों हो गया? I don't like, but
Cookie audience के लिए
I
हमारे.
like.
Satya, I love. And
युवा?
हाँ, युवा भाई. मतलब मणि रत्नम तो भाई.
हाँ, it's a
आप कुछ
given
भी
कि
आप
अच्छी होगी.
आप कुछ भी बना लो सिवाय रावण जो तुमने हिंदी में बनाई थी ना.
Veera. I love.
Why didn't they ever use that song for promotion?
Beer brand. That is all. That DM Varun. So okay, Vivek Oberoi was a great launch.
Vivek,
Female
Imran
lead,
Khan,
not
Pookie
female
audience के
spoken.
लिए Imran Khan, bro, that was like
His only goal.
Imran and Janelia both.
Genelia, yeah.
कभी कभी आदतें जिंदगी में यूं ही कोई अपना लगता
Janelia is not her.
She's
But
done
Genelia,
South.
this
I've
way,
already done.
Ritesh.
She done
And Ritesh.
Bammarillu, then she done Telugu,
Is
then she
Ritesh
did
movie also,
Tujhe
she
Meri
said.
Kasam
Whatever
when
that
she was
was.
14.
2008, Om Shanti Om Deepika, bro.
Oh,
That's a
That
launch and a
was-
half.
top
that
man.
was
launch,
a
yaar.
straight up
And
like
Sonam Kapoor was
you-
no one remembered.
Yeah,
Reincarnation launches, bro.
ये सावरिया like fucking you know
Ranveer
the jokes are blue film है भाई blue film है ओ क्या बात कर रहे हैं blue color है और वो कुछ क्या Dostoevsky और एक some
A white
other
man or something.
some other Russian person who nobody in mass will care about.
She
मैंने
read the book.
Oh
It's a very छोटू book. It's like this much.
yeah, the film also should have
Short
been
film बनाना था.
That's why when you watch the movie, you're like, why is this so long? The book is like this.
It just खींच खाच के. So, but Deepika's launch was something.
Solid.
Like, and the other actress launch, I feel, Alia.
Alia.
But Student of the Year, I didn't care about.
Highway.
It's Highway.
What's going on? अभी मुझे टेंस होना चाहिए मैं टेंस तो हूँ
Bro, Highway, Udta Punjab.
Oh ho.
I'm just looking. I'm not, and I've not watched that. Dear Zindagi, I've not watched. But
Avoidable.
avoidable.
Skippy.
Razi.
Razi.
So I'm looking at that. Even Gully Boy and all, she's fantastic.
course,
But
man.
Highway as your third or fourth film.
Second.
But I've read Highway.
what's
Second, what
yeah,
I've
yeah,
read
yeah,
is she
yeah.
shot
Highway
portions of
before.
Highway, and then Karan Johar saw Highway or rushes.
And they say फटाफट इसको बिकनी में डालो इसके पहले.
जल्दी से स्टार बनाओ फिर
वरना
वर्सिटिलिटी
ये
दिखाओ.
आर्ट एक्ट्रेस बन
तो
जाएगी.
पहले सॉडी ड्रॉप करो फिर
Mass,
हाईवे. I
mass.
read somewhere. पहले मास फिर
Alia Maas.
मास.
But honestly, she was good in
Around the
Student
time
also.
सिडमल होता है ना बट
She was good in-
मास कर रहे
Yeah,
हैं.
absolutely. But she was good in Student also.
Yeah.
Because
she-
it's a very enduring role.
yeah, but you know the thing is
And
like.
compared to now, she's good. She's
What
good.
is her worst? Student might be her worst film ever.
Yeah,
We can't praise her for it.
Shandar.
Oh, I've not watched. So.
Sadak 2.
Sadak 2. Shandar.
watched.
These are. Yeah.
Sadak 1
These are
2.
bad.
Why did you make Sadak 2? Sadak 1 amazing movie,
Yeah.
bro.
Yeah.
Unnecessary.
Unnecessarily.
Then BMC.
That's so. Don't be
Concretization of first Sadak.
Oh, bro, मत बोल bro. मेरे घर के बाहर वाला लेन चौथी बार खोद रहे हैं पिछले 6 साल में.
This will be
What are you
relatable
using to
forever.
make it? What are you using that in less than a year you have to break it down again?
Yeah, it keeps. But
I think they're conducting some experiment on us. They're waiting when will all of us break. Like,
You
when
may-
will we
No,
go
but when we
crazy on the
break,
road?
we are going to go burn everything.
True.
Like it has to be. You have to burn it
We
to the
have to go mad,
ground.
yeah.
Okay, Raghav Chaddas, 1 minute. Let's
Hey, sorry, it's not Raghav Chadda because I would talk about airport samosa there.
I'm Shabana Azmi, Shabana.
Domino's cheese burst pizza में cheese
Cheese
कम
क्यों?
हो गया.
बेचारा
There should be a character. Chadda man, ठीक है? All your time pass वाले issues.
मेरे
Why is
टी-शर्ट के
there- why is
पीछे
he
का लेबल
parking in
मेरे
no
बैग को
parking?
खुजली देता है. We have to move to launches of another launch that I feel requires a lot of attention as a smaller launch than these other launches is Ayushmann Khurrana.
अब तू शादी कर ले.
आज बोलो शादी करो, कल पीछे पड़ जाओगे बच्चा पैदा करो. अब बात जब सारे बच्चे की है, वो तो मैं बिना शादी के कर सकता हूँ.
Yeah, why?
The dream.
And
Yami Gautam
कितने
also.
लोग
Yami
अपना
Gautam also.
कितने लोग यहाँ एड एजेंसी और रेडियो स्टेशंस में नौकरी कर रहे हैं थिंकिंग आयुष्मान खुराना हो जाएगा.
बहुत relatable. Correct.
हाँ,
correct.
and Yami Gautam also. Yami Gautam, we love you. We love your
love-
husband,
we love-
everybody in your family.
You
God bless
deserve best actress.
Queen Yami
Yeah,
Gautam. हट डालिया, हट. And you are best.
Hak, hak.
हक, तुम्हारा हक है.
हक है.
You are OG, first
We love
lady
you
of Bollywood.
370.
So that was a solid film because it was
Solid,
made
dude.
cheap and they tried to replicate it immediately because Manish Paul got Mickey virus.
Yeah, with Ellie Avram.
A year after Vicky Donor, they were like, ये मॉडल चलता है. हाँ, जॉन स्मार्ट है यार. राइजिंग सन फिल्म्स है.
मयूर विहार दिखाते हैं.
हाँ, थोड़ा दिखा दे. मयूर विहार में 5 करोड़ में कोई थोड़ा डिजिटल ऑडियंस वाला कोई रेडियो जॉकी को लॉन्च करते हैं. And
But great, bro.
you think they like rolled a dice अपार शक्ति की आयुष्मान कौन सा वाला?
Oh, हाँ, 100%. वो अभी करते हैं. पहले अपार शक्ति को नहीं.
But it is slightly microwaved Ayushman.
It was less larger than life debut.
Yeah.
क्या? It was a less larger than life debut also, na? Little chill
one?
debut.
This one.
This Vicky Donor.
Vicky, yeah. No, and also
Relatable.
it then became, I feel like, it was not as much the acting as much as the film
Yeah.
that sort of
Yeah.
worked.
Correct,
right?
correct,
Like
correct,
if you take Hrithik out of Kauna Pyare, मैं नहीं देख रहा कोई न्यूजीलैंड और बॉम्बे में सेम लुकिंग आदमी है. नहीं होने वाला है.
No, that requires a star. That
you
film
need
requires
that.
a star. It requires Shahrukh. It requires Hrithik. It requires...
And for a Vicky Donor, I feel albeit that Ayushman was great, perfect fit, but ऐसा नहीं है कि आयुष्मान की जगह पे कोई और नहीं होता. अभी
राजकुमार राव डाल दो.
मनीष पॉल होता तो शायद नहीं चलता.
राजकुमार
But
I'm a big Manish Paul fan.
I'm
I
also
want
fan.
to clarify.
Yeah, I
he was
love
very
you.
good in Juk Juk Jio. He had a role in Juk Juk.
All right, guys, I think we're done. I think we're done. Yes, I can't.
Varun's hate for Manish Paul has
Not
ended.
more Manish Paul, for the character.
Varun hates outsiders. As an outsider, he outsider का सबसे बड़ा दुश्मन है.
ये सच बात है यार, सच में.
हाँ. But post Vicky Donor, then the era became weird, now because now
I don't remember or sort of even cared. You know, there's so many. Every week there's a new Nepo
One
kid
doesn't
being
know
launched.
Sky Force वाला जो
हाँ?
है,
क्या था यार वो?
उसका नाम क्या
क्या
है?
था यार?
वीर पार है.
हाँ, वो दोनों भाई आए हैं.
नहीं नहीं, एक ही
only
आया.
one, only.
दूसरा
Other
अभी
one's dating Janvi.
Janvi, and then this guy
Hard
came
launch.
and
वो hard launch हो गया है. ये
The
Bollywood
thing is
launch.
also when his debut happened, and because you're in this age of social media and all of that, उसका unlikability बहुत बढ़ गया.
Maybe
Right?
for not even his fault, I guess. to
Yeah,
some
maybe
extent.
it's not his fault.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
I don't think he purposely went out
The
to say
PR
I'm going to be
over-engineered him.
Yeah.
over. You know,
Yeah.
like there was a thing where I think he went to a theater and he's like he's standing there and movie is on. Okay, I feel because I have done that for my own debut film, so I know how it feels.
Yeah.
ठीक है?
It's very
हाँ.
human.
You
He's
went to
excited.
question-
Okay, I'll tell you. Before I make fun of others, I'll make fun of myself. मेरा picture था question mark first found footage horror film made in India. ठीक है? Blair Witch हम लोग.
हाँ.
ठीक है हम लोग मलाड में इनऑर्बिट मॉल में एक स्क्रीन पे दोपहर के 3:30 बजे पिक्चर थी. इट्स 80 सीटर.
हाँ, भर दिया सारे दोस्त भर दिया.
नहीं
अच्छा.
अरे दोस्त खड़े हो तो मैं बाहर जाके क्यों खड़े रहूंगा. बाकी पब्लिक है तो वी आर लाइक वो जेन्युइन इट्स हाउसफुल. सो द मिनट वी फाउंड इट्स हाउसफुल और द एंटायर स्टार कास्ट वी हैव गॉन कह रहे भाई हाउसफुल है तो खड़े रहेंगे. एंड द थिंग ओपन एंड वी आर जस्ट लिटरली ऑल ऑफ अस स्टैंडिंग देयर प्रिटेंडिंग कि हम ऐसे एक दरवाजे के बाहर खड़े रहते हैं दोपहर को 3:30 बजे. वो पीपल आर जस्ट वॉकिंग बाय. ओके एंड वी लाइक कोई भी नहीं पहचाना मैन. सो नोबडी.
कोई धूम मचाओ धूम
Your
के
luck
फैंस
by
ने मारने को भी धूम मचाओ धूम फैंस ने
नहीं but they didn't come up and then 1-2 people came and then suddenly they shut the thing. तो we saw like 60-70 लोग. हाँ मतलब बाकी लोग कहाँ है. कहते नहीं वो कैपेसिटी उतना है. We thought house film मतलब there must be 300-400 people.
छोटा स्क्रीन.
छोटा स्क्रीन था यार.
You wore a cap and all and
Are you mad?
ज़्यादा लोग देख
Bro,
लेंगे.
I तो go like that in front of people.
Extra.
But that's what's very human instinct. Now, if you're coming on a picture and you want to go and check it out, it's
Yeah.
completely normal. He got chat on for no reason for that.
Ah, yeah. No, so he's gone in the theater. He stood there, and nobody's recognizing him. ठीक है? And then like there's some song plays, and उसका कुछ एक step था वो पैर ऐसे कुछ ये तत्तर पुत्तर कुतर some
तत्तर पुत्तर.
ये
Yeah.
आजकल यही है सब. कतर पुत्तर just ये उसको just make it sing song ही तो दिमाग में अटक जाए लोगों के. वो एक कोई बैठी है बेचारी पिक्चर देखी उसको खड़ा करके उसके साथ उसको forcefully नचा रहा है.
He thought he'll have one of those
Yeah.
Pathan moments
वो
where
स्पाइस
people are
पीआर की
dancing.
एम्प्लॉय.
No, she looks very
अच्छा स्पाइस
confused.
भी है.
स्पाइस पीआर की एम्प्लॉय
But
जो
she looks very
Xavier
confused.
Grant.
Spice PR IV drip also for Sayyar. Dude, they're going nuts nowadays.
Spice
भाई.
PR did IV would have done.
Ah.
IV drip would have definitely been.
Yeah, इतना क्या reaction हो गया सैयारा देख के यार. मतलब
चिकनगुनिया क्यों हो रहा है लोगों को? ऑडियंस में आन पांडे.
strange reaction.
आन पांडे बीमार कर रहा
बीमार कर
है.
रहा है.
मेरी बच्ची मर गई आन पांडे की पिक्चर देख के.
आन पांडे और एक जहरीला मच्छर सेम इफेक्ट कैसे ला रहे हैं तुम्हारे अंदर.
Okay, very interesting. So I also want to move to like slightly more.
Can I ask you one thing? Sorry,
Yes,
because
of
we're
course.
talking about launches. And do you remember this thing of launches in the 2000s when we were younger,
Yeah.
where there was a certain process where a star kid would tell Papa, I want to be launched.
Yeah.
Then Papa would call Salman Khan and say
Correct,
he wants to be launched. Then he would go to Salman's gym. Have you noticed
Correct, correct.
that
I've been trained by
that
bhai.
assembly line of kids who have
Arjun.
gone to Salman's gym?
Yeah.
Then he's trained them, उसकी body बनाते हैं, then they
Being
debuted,
strong.
and then being strong, and then Panvel farm house. तो एक
Yeah,
था
yeah.
right of passage.
Correct.
हाँ,
No,
वैसा.
Panvel farm house is for female function.
Unhinged. Unhinged. I tried
Or
actually.
then
I
that
tried
after a
multiple
point,
times.
they're like, I don't think just working out in Salman's gym should be the criteria, ना और भी कुछ करना
train
चाहिए.
कर
So
लो,
now,
acting, हाँ.
then there was a phase of he assisted this one on that movie.
Yeah.
I'm like, bro, I've seen ADs. They got a fucking
Yeah.
log
Yeah.
their asses
And
off.
most underpaid, like they are
Most
below minimum
underpaid.
wage. Below minimum wage they make.
Most over abused, overworked,
Yeah.
and anything might get fucked up, but it is this costume assistant's fault, and they get suna out, they budge out. Half these people,
Yeah.
they must have assisted,
Yeah.
but they are not. I don't think they've done that level when they're
AC
going to
assistants.
get AC.
Ragra
They
level.
have their own.
Yeah,
They are talent management ADs. They're like, hey, just go tell Bhai that he has to come to.
Yeah.
Say shot is ready.
They
हाँ,
clap
shot.
and all.
Shot
They
is
clap.
ready.
Oh, they have to clap.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
fuck.
that's an important.
Clap and cap.
okay.
Cap and clap. Cap and clap ADs.
But clap is tough.
Yeah.
You know,
Clap is tough. एक हाथ से मारना मुश्किल होता
बहुत
है.
मुश्किल होता है वो साउंड आने के लिए ना, तो बहुत ऐसे फुसकी वाला नीचे होता है, मान में दोस्त द वर्स्ट.
और उनको डांट भी नहीं मार सकते.
नहीं
ना.
कर सकता ना.
Hey, just a little louder yeah, next time. Huh?
I have one
Can
more
you try it
question,
again?
one more question. We've done actors, actors. What about director का debuts? Let's do that.
Very
अभी फरहान अख्तर हो जाएगा.
Gattu,
We're not allowed to say Farhan and Hrithik
Gattu
anymore.
यार, Gattu.
अच्छा,
Gattu Kapoor.
Yeah.
Gattu
Oh, I thought
Kapoor
you were saying
strong.
Dilshad.
But didn't Gattu do I Indian before?
Oh,
I proud to be an Indian is Gattu
Sohail
Kapoor.
Khan.
Did he do that? Oh no, there was some other Aryan.
oh,
There was a
Snehal Lal.
Sohail Rocky where the Eye of the Tiger montage
Yeah,
happens
yeah.
on reclamation because और किधर तो shoot कर ही नहीं
Sneha
सकते.
Ullal project.
Sneha Ullal.
correct.
और वो करके आता है. I think it was him.
Oh, then,
If I'm not
then that's
mistaken,
not Gattu debut
Then
then.
you can't say.
Corrected.
And you
That's-
can't say Farhan Akhtar. you
Then
can't say
Gattu
Dilshad.
for Aryan.
There's Zoya.
Then Gattu for Aryan.
don't
Aryan
know
is my
Gattu
favorite
Kapoor.
director debut.
Gatti Kapoor लिख दिया मैंने. क्या
He
चल रहा है
was
भाई?
launched as an actor पहले.
Yeah.
Abhishek
Oh,
Kapoor.
really?
Yeah, Abhishek
As-
Kapoor.
As which movie?
He is Ekta Kapoor family, no?
I mean, I think he went on set. He wanted to direct. They said, "आपका नाम कैसे है? कपूर." अच्छा, वो
हाँ,
acting
पहले hero.
department में लेके जाओ इसको.
Hero director नया. Hero one.
But I think Zoya Akhtar luck by chance favorite debut.
Yeah,
director.
super.
हाँ, done.
Probably her
Super.
best
Winner.
movie also. So.
देखते हैं इसकी filmography.
हाँ.
Oh, correct है.
It is I proud to be an
That's
Indian.
why I'm
Aryan.
the second most requested person on
That's
this.
why. That's
2006.
why he's OG podcaster. OG Bollywood
2006
podcaster.
Aryan.
हाँ.
Two.
Director, yes.
Gattu.
Writer, yes.
Oh.
Gattu Kapoor. Producer, no.
प्रोड्यूसर कौन है? बताइए तो उतना दूर आ गए हो तो.
I think producer is Sohail Khan.
I think he's produced every movie he's been in.
Has to.
है ना? Why?
No. Krishna Cottage and all.
Fight.
That was Ekta.
Yeah, Krishna Cottage he has not. Please remember. Please and.
But yeah,
sorry.
Zoya और कौन director में
Karan
मतलब.
Johar कुछ कुछ होता है strong debut I feel.
Oh, brilliant!
Bro,
Look at
very
his
like,
first reel. Bro,
very
कुछ
good
कुछ होता है. कभी खुशी कभी
क्या
गम.
तो scale है कुछ कुछ
And
होता है.
then was कभी अलविदा ना कहना ना.
Correct.
Yeah, I
वो
like
थोड़ा-
Ahmad Khan directorial debut.
Lakeer.
Ishkwish.
Lakeer.
Lakeer, some lines are not meant to be crossed.
Crossed. Yeah.
I love Lakeer.
Oh भाई उसमें तो
What was-
this was Noit Cyrusy.
Now it's a
Yeah.
Cornetto had romance
Cornetto
with
had-
John.
John, yeah. John, Sohail Khan.
अपना David Fincher. Our Cornetto trilogy is Lakeer. All Noit Cyrusy cinema is our Cornetto.
Cornetto
Our
trilogy.
Fincher is Noit Cyrusy.
I don't.
It's amazing. Lakeer is a good story.
I'll watch,
It
I'll
has
watch.
because we are this is you
And
know.
great music. I remember the
Acha,
music. they had-
Nachule.
Nachule.
Ah. Oh la 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 chule.
Do we know any other song?
Yeah, there's one romantic John song. Very.
Okay.
I don't know. I just feel
But
shirtless.
here's the
John.
thing, you know, if you music was great, but for this song itself, I think if you watch the music video, it's got Sunil Shetty, Sohail Khan,
Yeah.
John Abraham, and one more person,
Sohail- and Sohail is not
Sunny
there?
or somebody.
Sunny is not
one
there.
of them.
Sunny is also there. In
Yeah, I think they're
All
there.
non-dancers.
And all non-dancers. So they're just like, the dance is some, you
Imagine
know,
a cast
like,
where Sunil
La, la,
Shetty
la,
is your
chille.
strongest dancer. in the cast. Sunil Shetty is the strongest dancer.
Sony है, हीरे मुकड़े और क्या कर रहा है भाई?
There's a lot of.
Yeah, there's all.
don't know.
It's all. अच्छा अभी bicep curl.
And
Sony है.
Anna has spikes, brown spikes.
Bro, अन्ने के भी बाल जो ऊपर
Anne.
नीचे.
I can't believe he has said Anne ke baal. Anne ke
We
baal.
made a plural for some reason. But he's had quite an evolution. Huh?
Bro, first
He's a
that
hottie
mullet,
now.
the mullet
Hot.
in the 90s where
Balwan.
where he's lifting the ambassador.
Debut, bhai. Debut.
That's a debut,
they just
Balwan.
they wrote a scene where he then goes behind car and lifts the car, so the guys can't leave.
Gopi Kishan. That's Gopi Kishan, no?
No, Balwan.
Balwan he did. Even Gopi Kishan does up.
Bro, that became a thing, na? That became a thing. अभी क्या है? Jack नहीं है. चलो भाई सुनील को बुला.
Strong. He lifted the car in Khiladi also, where that Mamta Kulkarni is driving a car. You've seen the
खिलाड़ी
movie with
खिलाड़ी में तो अक्षय था.
Akshay,
and Sunil, na? He has specs. They're friends in college.
दीपक तिजोरी.
There is a Waqt Hamara Hai.
वक्त हमारा है.
Waqt Hamara.
Krypton bomb.
Krypton, Ram Reddy. Ram Reddy with Krypton. In Waqt Hamara Hai, Mamta Kulkarni is going, he's on a cycle.
Yeah.
And then she's like, मेरी गाड़ी खराब हो गई है.
हाँ.
He's like, कोई नहीं, आप step नहीं लगा लो. And he...
We what we say as jokes is already reality.
Multiple movies of Sunil Shetty lifting car.
Lifting cars.
Bobby
yeah, that-
also did an Ajnabi.
Yeah, Bobby launch was good, yeah.
Lifting also. and
He was, oh, thing.
Yeah.
Can't believe everything is planned was a password and we all watched it and said,
क्योंकि
yeah.
तू अनाथ है, क्योंकि तू ये है, क्योंकि तू ये, तू माँ, तू काला कमीना. He gives him a list of
Yeah,
7.
yeah.
He orphan shames him
Yeah,
for
yeah,
so
yeah.
long.
Gareeb.
अबे चुपचाप password guess कर लिया
But
तो
everything
ठीक
is planned with spaces. It's the only password that has space in it.
Oh.
It's not everything is planned.
So it's everything space.
Space.
But it
है.
won't
We
accept.
space.
But
We-
होता है
won't
उसमें,
accept.
हो जाता है.
उसमें.
Billions
ये
of
कौन
dollars.
सा हम लोग को नहीं करना था स्पेस के साथ.
Yes, fucking
If
hell.
that was the case, everything would have been the password का स्पेस के बाद recognize ही नहीं कर रहा. Everything. अरे.
Okay.
Farah Khan debut is also very good, guys.
Oh, bro.
Mehuna
I
is a
feel, you know,
solid one, huh?
the other day we were just thinking because my wife was listening to some podcast that Farah Khan was
झूठ
on.
मत बोल, दिलीप और उसका vlog देख रहे थे.
नहीं, नहीं.
Podcast में.
अरे वो कोई podcast अभी रणवीर इस पे है ना.
हाँ, she went.
It's a
हाँ, I
very
know.
It was a
good-
very
it's a
nice
very
one.
I'm
good
a Dilip
episode.
fan, so I just want to put out.
No, I'm also Dilip fan, but she was listening to this Ranveer Wala
Very
where
good
she was
episode.
talking, and it just suddenly struck me, bro. Like now, you look back at Mehuna, you look at Om Shanti Om.
Strong debut director.
Fucking great and like the kind of fun cinema you want to watch.
Yeah.
Mass bhi mil raha hai dekho.
yeah.
But it's also enjoyable mass, not
Popcorn
mass for
mass
like
with a
mass,
soft- soft heart.
Soft heart.
Soft heart mass.
Great music, you know, like perfect. Like she knows how to
Her
do
debut, while we are on Farah, the Farah debut as a choreographer is also a crazy story,
Jeeta,
right?
na?
Jo jeeta na, pehla
Saroj
nasha.
Khan fell ill. Saroj Khan fell ill, so her assistant Farah was asked to tap in and कि ये पहला नशा का कुछ करवा देना, and she
And then the
decided
iconic.
to this high FPS, like whatever this
yeah,
pura
yeah.
slow-mo thing was her idea, man.
Wow.
That is how you make a mark.
Yeah. She said it on the podcast also that like when she was looking at Saroj Khan choreographed it, she was like, I'll do a better job at this. Like she knew that she would do better in Pehla Nasha and it again kismat logic.
But I
like,
just
it
feel
came to
bad.
her.
Like now she's like she's waiting. She's not made another
Yeah.
one. I just want to watch one more
Mehuna
nice.
So that
two
Satya
type
pe
thing is
Satya
happening.
tested for, yaar. It never took off. I was telling
Ritik
her.
tha na?
हाँ,
Ritik was,
it was a Rohit
Amitabh.
Shetty Farah collab of some sort, production direction. I remember testing for it, but फिर उसके बाद कुछ होगा नहीं shortlist के
Farah
बाद.
Khan, please.
मैंने शायद मेरे dates नहीं थे, so
Ah, that's why even Dawn 3 is cancelled. I tested for it.
हाँ same.
So that I wasn't available. So they said नहीं बनेगी picture.
वो तो
Sir,
कुंभकर्ण,
लेकिन रणवीर बोल रहा है वो free है. Cancel करने बोलो उसको.
वो तो luckily वो कुंभकर्ण के लिए दूसरा लड़का मिल गया इनको रामायण में, वरना it was in the doldrums. Brother tested. Brother has Haggard the worst test of his life.
Huh?
Yeah. I've embarrassed myself. पूरा रुद्राक्ष पहन के I went to fucking
You
anyway.
did a Vivek Oberoi.
You know who was testing
But
for
bro,
it.
this is good. At least you did that. Sorry, I'm going to say, but inspired by this Vivek Oberoi thing, right? I had gone to test for 83. Okay, and I was I tried multiple.
These are almost debut segments.
Almost, bhai.
Almost
Actually,
Should have
debut
been,
segment
should
of
have
this.
been.
कितने बताओ देखो भाई. My actual film debut was supposed to be Agnipath with Hrithik Roshan, where they wanted me to test for guess which role. You watch Agnipath with Hrithik?
I have not seen.
Wait, I watched Agnipath with Hrithik पूरा, yeah. उसमें
Some
रॉफ लाला के
Rauf Lala, Rishi Kapoor,
हाँ,
Kancha China,
China,
Sanjay Dutt.
प्रियंका चोपड़ा इसका
हाँ, I went to test for the role.
बचा
and
कौन है रे? मैं
they-
अग्निपथ-
उन्होंने प्रियंका चोपड़ा को दे दिया. मैं shortlisted था, लेकिन बोला नहीं. ये
लास्ट मिनट दे वाला ये थोड़ा
But you know what? I was like, वो movie में एक group of eunuchs है who come to his aid.
हाँ,
When
they
Hrithik
help
is
him,
getting
the action
bajao,
sequence.
so suddenly like he's going to get killed or whatever. Na? The gundas have bajaued him, and then from the crowd emerge 7 eunuchs or 10 eunuchs with क्या बोलते हैं वो axe.
हाँ,
क्या बोले इन्हें?
pickle,
हाँ,
pickaxe type.
हाँ, pickle ball लेके आ रहे हैं. They have come,
Ahead of it.
and so I was supposed to be one of them.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, and the
उसमें
sad
कौन
one.
सा पॉलिटिक्स हुआ
But
They
वो
wanted true representation or what?
no, and I had long curly hair at that point. So I was like, okay. मैं अंदर गया टॉयलेट में एक्सक्यूज मी सर आई जस्ट कम बैक अपने मॉम को फोन किया माँ लिसन दिस ऋतिक मूवी आई एम टेस्टिंग फॉर दे आस्किंग मी टू टेस्ट फॉर दिस माय मॉम ने कर ले आई सेड बट इट्स नॉट लाइक आई एम सम I'm happy. I'll happily do it
of
if
course.
that one particular role has some weightage. Like I'm the most important one. I'm the leader of the pack. I have seen
Sure,
Hrithik.
sure.
I'm not just going to come screaming with a
yeah,
pickle sickle in a market.
Yeah.
But I still auditioned. I said, "Chalo." So somewhere there's a tape at Dharma Productions, and the audition was not scenes. They just put a camera on set. Karo.
Breathe, improv.
Improv now.
Green style.
Now this is 2008, 9. Like now, wokeness नहीं था वो टाइम पे
तो
तो
कुछ
what do
भी
you
नहीं है.
think?
There is
तू
an-
imagine तू
there is
whatever
an
you're
A. Raju
imagining.
take of
What
Varun
would we
Thakur.
do? Think. Ask
There
ourselves, what
is
would we do?
100% an A Raju rendition of, because what else to do? There's no scene, there's no dialogues. I'm running with a sickle. So I've done that. So now I'm waiting, and then I didn't get it.
Oh,
So that's worse.
oh yeah, yeah.
वो भी नहीं मिला कि
that is
I
worse.
couldn't be one of the seven also, yeah. How tough is it to scream in a market with a sickle in hand?
That was
And what did you need that you didn't get from me?
They put you in costume and all also, what, Varun?
No.
No, it's just like a do your thing.
Now
yeah.
I'm dressed like a hound.
Oh, wow.
I have long
Very-
curly hair
yeah.
and I'm A Raju.
then you're
Got it,
fine.
got it. Yeah,
Then,
Raju.
I don't know. I don't know what to say.
That's unconvincing, yeah.
But my point
It's maybe
was,
a compliment that you were not saying.
yeah,
don't
I mean,
know.
I
Like, I guess.
must be. I didn't want to
They
steal
were like,
Ritik's
ये
spotlight
और
because otherwise
करेगा.
they'd be like, अरे भाई वो सब छोड़ तूने वो
Scene
सीन
scene.
देखा वो पांचवा जो पीछे भाग के आ रहा था ना
वो
sickle
तो
लेके.
विजय वर्मा and
Akshay
Gully
Khanna
Boy.
is real Duran.
That's a better-
Akshay Khanna of Agnipati's Varun Thakur.
बच गया ऋतिक बच गया.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
We'll go around and say our favorite. We'll end with doing our favorite debuts that have happened in Bollywood.
Favorite
I'll start.
only?
My favorite. Favorite debut wide Darshil Safri.
Oh, wow.
Darshil
Too
Safri,
cute.
one of the strongest debuts I think
cute.
in Tare Zameen Par.
100%.
Great performance, great boy. Followed it up with an amazing superhero movie Zokomon, which nobody.
Yeah.
Zokomon.
Yeah.
And
it's
I'm
a little dark indie vibe, no?
indie superhero project,
Yeah.
Darshil's.
Wow.
Which is interesting how stardom works even at the youngest of ages, na?
Correct.
Like one hit film and you're like, अब मैं superhero अब मैं superhero project करूँगा अपना straight. Like flying jet after student of the year. I think let's call this segment the best debut and the worst debut. My favorite debut performance is definitely Darshil Safri, and my least favorite debut performance would be Tiger Shroff
मेरा ले
in
लिया मेरा आंसर.
Heropanti.
हीरोपंती करेगा क्या करूं यार सबको आती नहीं मेरी जाती
I could not. He could not point now. Hey, how will I point at you? Varun, कैसा है? कैसा है भाई? Hey, camera.
And he's doing
आ
it
गया.
while he's upside down.
I could just the
Tiger
pointing.
खड़े रहे भाई.
Just the pointing as me. Rubba, मेरे rubba. Shut up.
Shut up यार.
एक तो बाप की इज्जत करते हैं तो छोड़ा.
हाँ,
अभी तक.
seriously
Yeah,
भाई.
shut up.
हाँ तो बड़ो मैं बोलता ना तेरे को मैं अंडा कड़ी पत्ता का रेसिपी 10 बार
वो
देखी
तो उनके तेरे बाप के ऑमलेट खाता हूँ मैं.
हाँ,
वरना
ठीक है तेरे बाप ने
वरना
पोलियो शॉट
दिन-
बोले थे लेने के लिए ले रहा हूँ मैं तेरे बाप के से झाड़ लगाता हूँ मैं मालूम है कि नहीं? छोटा पौधा है आई लव जैकी यार
Best.
दैट्स
Best
अनदर
man. That's a
डेब्यू
good
ब्रो
debut, huh?
यू आस्क योर पेरेंट्स अरे जैकी का डेब्यू हीरो
Big good one. Good
एंड
one.
वही टाइम पे
Hero
सुभाष
launch.
घाई ने क्या क्या मालूम है
क्या
तेरा
मैं-
बेटे को भी मैं ही लॉन्च करूंगा
हाँ, it was
ये स्टोरी थी ना
अच्छा.
तो when after he launched and movie blew up, so he had said तेरे बेटे को भी मैं ही launch करूंगा. So when this movie is getting made, that's why it's Hero Panti. Called Hero.
And they also did the poo
Oh
poo
my
poo
God.
poo poo
yeah.
poo poo.
And then with some dubstep after
Baja.
that. Yeah, exactly that one. Yeah.
Kriti Sanon strong debut, same movie, amazing, love her.
I've not seen Hero Panti.
Same, even I've not seen. I've only seen that तू छोटी बच्ची है क्या whatever meme.
I've
That's
seen
it.
more memes of Tiger Shroff than
Same.
actual movies of
Same.
Tiger
I
Shroff.
don't think I've ever seen an
Okay.
entire Tiger Shroff film actually. Now that I think about it,
You're fine.
I can survive.
I don't think you can tell after watching the movie which Tiger Shroff movie you watched.
True.
That's going to be a thing that if we
Dance कर
just हम लोगों ने टाइटल स्लेट निकाल दिया और देखो बोला गेस कर you won't be able to guess कि भाई क्या चल रहा है
बड़े मियाँ छोटे flying jet of the
that-
year. बड़े मियाँ छोटे flying jet of the year. In the movie. Your
Okay, I'll say
best and
favorite.
worst.
Favorite, I think Vicky Kaushal Masan. I really like.
Oh yeah. By the way, I got congratulated for that. On Twitter, somebody made, hey, congratulations, Masan. And I had no idea what the fuck it was. I said, what is Masan?
I
And
feel
they're
like the
hey, you don't know
answer-
anything. It won at Cannes. Your movie, you don't know. I said, my movie?
Just call
Then
him
I've
dad.
gone and researched. I'm like, ये क्या picture है? कौन है?
Daddy क्या आप एक्शन डायरेक्टर नहीं बन सकते थे क्या?
I think the answer came to me because I'm looking at you right now.
Yeah?
Yeah, a little bit.
Hey, love you,
Masan,
Vicky, if
Masan,
you ever
Vicky.
need.
Yeah. You can play.
With
you
a
can play
turban, Zuban.
Twins, you all can play.
Oh.
हाँ.
Even Konkona, I
While
really like.
partying Raman Raghav.
What is it? Mr. and Mrs. Iyer. That's her debut film?
Congratulations. Oh, अच्छा आगे तेरी indie audience.
I-
Indie
I-
audience.
Like औरत को बोलना चाहिए
Indie
मुझे.
audience.
I should name a
15
girl
Park
also.
Avenue.
Is it 16 or is it Mr.
The
and Mrs.
Abhay
Iyer?
Deol.
Abhay Deol.
In Road the movie.
No, it's
I know.
What's wrong with
सोचा
it?
ना,
सोचा ना,
सोचा
सोचा
Imtiaz
ना.
वाला ना.
Cute.
Worst, I have to say. I don't know. I don't feel it, but I'm feeling the face in my mind right now. Mahima Chaudhary in Pardes was quite irritating.
Yeah.
Wow, you have something against her.
हाँ.
I just found it very.
Nobody
like,
has thought
the
of
fit
her,
didn't
especially in
work.
a debut context, in so
So
long.
much Subhash guy wैसे. Yeah, Mahima Shahrukh not a fit.
Subhash guy, Subhash guy, that makes sense. Okay.
I've said.
There is some open magazine article
Explanation, ना, there's-
explanation over
Why-
there. Reddit पे पता कर लेना इस debut के बारे में. Smashing debut by Subhash guy.
You say.
My favorite,
was
obviously, Hrithik.
Hrithik.
Like that I can never go back on. That 100% Hrithik, and like Vivek also to a certain extent. Not what he's become now. Now he's real estate.
Yeah,
Richest
Dubai.
actor, by the way.
In
Dubai,
Dubai.
na?
Dubai mein bhai, he make a lot of
Yeah,
money.
yeah.
He's investor, this, that. Good pivot. Well
Yeah,
done.
good.
But great debut also. Female debut, I would say Deepika.
Huh.
And like Alia, but for me, Alia more highway, less
हाँ.
student of the year.
Worst also.
Worst also.
Don't try
Me.
to wiggle out of it.
In question mark.
Say it before they can.
Yeah. अरे गंदा हूँ मैं.
Smart.
No, but I'll tell you who else. Fardeen Khan and Prem Agan, bro.
Yes.
Because
Yes.
So handsome, yeah.
no handsome, yes. I mean, तू
But
Feroz
he's
Khan का
literally
बेटा
like
है,
a
bro.
dance
robot,
like
yeah.
this.
But bro, it was painful.
Yeah,
it
yeah,
was
it's a painful one.
I'm like एक minute. So no, वो टाइम पे वो होना चाहिए था, शोगन होना चाहिए था.
मेघना
नहीं गया.
कोठारी के बारे में कोई कुछ नहीं बोल रहा प्रेम अगर
मैं तो उसका नाम भी भूल गया.
Something was coming Meghnam. Even Sonu Nigam and Jani Dushman is quite bad.
No, cult.
But that's not his debut.
Oh, it's not.
Love in Nepal.
No, lovin',
That's his
lovin',
debut.
lovin', Nepal. I'm telling you,
On
bro,
that
before internet, मैं जो आता था ना TV पे, bro, I was just has to just sit and watch unneeded shit.
Oh, thank you so much for coming to
Thank
this
you for
crazy
having me.
episode of
Mazedar.
Popcorn Hour. Thank you, Varun, my brother. Thank you, Akanksha. And this was our episode. And please like, share, subscribe, and comment,
Yeah.
and tell us what you would like for us to discuss with Varun the next time he manages to come
Yes.
here, despite his busy schedule of leading
Not at all
podcasts that he is running in this country.
Available quite often.
Actually, okay. Tell us what you'd like to tell us about the best debuts that you have seen, the worst debuts that you've seen, and other debuts also. जो बात करनी है करना.
कुछ भी बोल सकते हो,
मैं
कुछ
कौन होता हूँ तुम्हें रोकने वाला? I am a nobody.
Hello.
Done.
तुर